G. Finally it starts. The problem is on AFM is shorted, and that's why we are getting issues on. And now we're fixing back everything, so it's started, but right now it's slightly missing, and the rest of the thing car is ready. It's a 4-cylinder, turbocharged, same like the 4E, and this is Range Rover sports version, British made, and so this is 2018 sports version. It's called Velar P250 SE Range Rover. You can see how much water is coming out from the exhaust. It sucks the water due to the low clearance of the intake manifold, and everything was gone into the. This is the place where they suck the water, and it's here the air filters and everything. If it was completely stuck with the water, and this AFM is short due to that, it will start and shut it off. So that's why the problem is coming from. So hopefully it will help you to start the car. Be safe. Thank you for watching. Thank you. This is Shahrukh from Auto Services Provider. Please share, subscribe my channel, and I really appreciate. Thanks.